Welcome guys, this is Optimal FX where profitable strategies are being shared free of charge. If you have not been making consistent profits, I want you to pay attention to this particular video because the strategy here will change your trading history forever. Now in this video, I will give you a secret strategy that will help you make consistent profits. Now on this channel Optimal FX, every strategies here are being simplified. The aim of this channel is to simplify the concept of forex trading. Do you understand? So in this video, let me reveal to you another concept that will keep you in consistent profits. Now what you need here is only one indicator. You need only one indicator to remain profitable. You need what? Only one indicator to remain profitable. Do you understand? So only one indicator you need here. You need ADX, average directional movement index. That is the only indicator you need here to make consistent profit. As you can see on my video, now there are settings for this particular strategy, and you need to pay attention to these settings because understanding the settings is the first thing. Understanding the settings is the first thing. The second thing is understanding how to apply it, the time frame where the strategy is being applied. Every strategy has a particular time frame where it works best. Do you understand? So you need to pay attention as I will be giving you the secret about this strategy that has been making me consistent profit. Now let's go to how to set up the indicator. I said you need only one indicator, which is what? ADX. Now this is how to set the indicator. This is what? How to set the indicator. Now before that, let me delete this current. Now this is what? The naked chart. Now let's insert the indicator before we go over on how to make use of it. So you click on the function here, you click on the function, then you click here. Now locate ADX indicator. So on my screen now, the ADX indicator is the first indicator, which is this, that is average directional movement index. So you click on it. Now this is the default setting for average directional movement index. So on your own screen, this is the default settings. This is what the default setting, but as you can see, this is not what we want. This is not what we want. So let's refine this indicator. Let's refine it so that it will have a good look to enable us make our trade. So you go back to the F, hit on the average directional movement index. Now we want to set up the indicator. Pay attention. We want to do what? Set up the indicator. Pay attention. This is the one of the main aspects. Do you understand? So first of all, you change the period. You change the period to 150. Change the period to 150. Now that is the first thing. Now the second thing is to the style. The style, which is here. The style. First of all, change it to 1 pixel. Now change the color to white. Now the essence of this white is because we don't want the style line to appear. That's why we are changing it to what? white background because our screen background is white, so we are changing it to what? White background, so that it will not appear. Do you understand? So next is plus di, change the pixel to 4, then the color green as it is, so leave the color green. Now minus di, change the pixel to 4. Now the color should be red. So this is all about the settings. So you hit what? Done. So let's go back. So as you can see, we have made the indicator to look good. Now the next thing is to how to make use of this indicator. How to do what? Make use of this indicator. Now as you can see on my screen, whenever the indicator crosses each other, whereby the green line, look at these points, whereby the green line crosses the red line upward, at that point of crossing is what? A buy. Look at this. This is what? A buy signal. Where green line crosses the red line upward, at that point of crossing is what? A buy signal, confirmed buy signal. So here now, here we make our buy entry here. We make what? Our buy entry where the crossing occur. So this is where the crossing occur here. Are you seeing it? So we make our buy entry here. So this is what excess profit, as easy as that. Now for sell entry, where the red line crosses the green line and moves up, look at it. This is what? Our sell entry. This is what? Our sell entry, where the crossing occur, whereby the red line of ADX is above. So at that point of crossing is where you need to do what? Make your sell entry. Do you understand? At that point of crossing is where you need to do what? Make your sell entry. So there is our sell entry point. We make our sell entry here, and this is what? Excess profit, as you can see. So this is a simple strategy you can use to trade. Now this is not limited to volatility 50 index alone. You can make use of this. Now this is a 1 hour time frame. This is what? 1 hour time frame volatility 50 index. 1 hour time frame volatility 50 index. So with this strategy, you can make a lot of profits. Do you understand? You can do what? Make a lot of profit trading volatility 50 index. So as you can see, it is still yielding profitable. Now this is the latest chart. Look at this crossing here. See this crossing here. This is what? Sell entry. This is what? Sell entry. I've been on this trades, right, where you need to do what? Make your sell entry, and this is what? Excess profit. So guys, this is Optimal FX, where profitable strategies are being shared. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video so that others will benefit. Thank you.